In this video, we're going to study universal set. Universal set. The universal set is the set of all elements of all sets under consideration for a given problem. It can be said that all sets in a given problem are subsets of some universal set. The universal set is usually given the symbol U. Let's have examples. Suppose, for example, our universal set is the set of teachers in Maasin City National High School. And suppose there are 10 teachers. We have, for example, teacher number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And out of the given universal set, we can form smaller sets which are subsets of the given universal set. So for example, we have set of mathematics teachers in Maasin City National High School. And suppose, for example, the mathematics teachers are, we have teacher number 1, number 3, and number 7. So the elements, therefore, of set M are, we have 1, 3, and 7. And suppose we form another smaller set. We have set S, for example, be the set of set of science teachers in Maasin City National High School. And suppose the science teachers are, we have teacher number 2, number 3, and number 5. So the elements, therefore, of the set of science teachers are 2, 3, and 5. And suppose we form another smaller set. We have set E, be the set of English teachers in Maasin City National High School. And suppose the English teachers are, we have teacher number 4 and number 9. So therefore the elements of set E are 4 and 9. Okay, now let's have another example. Suppose, for example, we have set A be the set of grade 7 students in Maasin City National High School. And suppose these students are student A, B, C, and D. And we have another set which is the set of grade 8 students in Maasin City National High School, for example. And the elements of this set, for example, are student E, F, and G. And we have set C with a set of grade 9 students. And the elements of this set, for example, are student H, I, J, K, L, and M. And we have set D be the set of grade 10 students in Maasin National High School. And suppose the elements are N, N, O, P, Q, R, for example. Now, the universal set of these given sets are the set of students who belongs to the given sets. Say, the elements are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Or the universal set is a larger set. which is the set of all junior high school students in Maasin City National High School.